So again, sa ato mga member owners na nakasagawa sa iyo, mag-iikot o bumutog sa inyong pakulo nga papel. Again, you're going to see on your registration ang buhat ka may letter your paper. Una, that will be your pension statement. And if you're open, you're ready to receive your 200 pesos. Next is your pakulo na papel. That is the time you're going to get inside here na antigen and drop. Pakulo na papel, wherever. Pumasa ka mga branch member.
Yes, Ma'am A, and para makadawag sila Ma'am A, ang kanilang pakulok yung hindi nila i-keep no, sa ilang mga booster. Instead, ato siya ihulog sa atong mga pakulok boxes. No, kung asa mo na sign or helper sa branch.
So, time check, it's already 7:32 in the morning. A very fresh Saturday of March 29, 2024. And just a reminder to all, of 2025. Wala ba tayo na time travel? No, 2025. A year of also, 2025 is our International Year of Operating. So, ato pa lang i-celebrate mga sensors as we celebrate also ang ating mga tungkol uban sa tanang kooperatiba sa Pagpuntukan.
Yes, Ma'am A, ang gamitin na Ma'am A, nahigot ka ang mga prizes sa atong pakulong and sa atong grand control. And now, before we announce our first batch of pakulong winners, allow us to read first our pakulong winners.
So reminding all of our member owners to please pay attention to the screen para makita po sa inyong bahaton kung kita makataon na rin ang pakulong. Okay, Sergey.
A member who pre-registered or registered during the General Assembly will result in forfeiture and withdrawal of the grant.
Everyone, hindi na mga tickets na already sabol halika na from areas 1, 2, and 3. So, gigilin siya very delicate na proseso not to make this a raffle draw more transparent and maprotektahan gid nato ang atong mga ipampalit na tickets. Later on, we will give you sa itong mga prizes dito sa Tubangan. Tumara! Nagwapo ba kayo? Hello, hello sa itong Honda Click 160i model 2025.
Brand new pa yun kayo na siya, Ma'am A. Like kaganina, kagabi pala, ibutang ginagawa sa contribution.
Alright, so let's have our three winners to receive our Honda Click 160i. We have a representative from Area 1, Director Nanaman.
For our Area 2, we have Director Maricon Vilay. And for our Area 3, we have Cynthia Joseph.
Alright, you have it. Magsalubong ng dito. Who are these lucky winners? Piyungan nyo na lang. I have the first winner. Makadawag sa atong Honda. Second.
Nanapod sa kuha ang winner sa atong Area 3.
Nalipay tayo.
Sa kanan nakadawag sa atong brand new motorcycle.
Alright, our first winner to receive Honda Click 160i. We have Corazon Balo. Right. So once again, congratulations to all of our winners. Later on, we're going to give another set of prizes.
Yes, so let me say thank you sa atong mga representative from the board of directors sa pagbunot sa atong grand Ontario Draw.
Thank you so much, Director Cynthia Joseph, Director Maricon Delay, and Director Mario Limon.
And later on, while we're going on atong business meeting, kaning ato ang non-winning tickets, both sa atong areas 1, 2, and 3 will be combined into one grand champion. So later on, moms and sirs, after our business meeting.
Naanas sa gawas, moms and sirs, our brand new Toyota Race Turbo. I think that's 1.3. Ang iyang we have also our Suzuki na mga sakyanan. Duha ka buo kung kinsa ang mga lucky winners na makadaog ani, immediately you can bring the following diretso karong adlaw. Alright, so moms and sirs, we still have 4 minutes for us to prepare ourselves before we start our business meeting. Again, reminders ato ang entrance and exit. Marshals, kindly take post. No, ang atong exit nasa atong mga tagsa-tagsa ka right and left wing. Our exit is at the center. Again, if you need assistance, we have our staff moving around. You can tap them para ma-assist mo sa inyong concerns. Para komportable kita, no, sa ato ang pag-attend meeting ato ang assembly.
And also would like to encourage our members later on sa ato ang post-evaluation na feedback. We encourage everyone to please answer with our evaluation for us to improve more on how are we going to conduct our General Assembly. Moms and sirs, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtambo. Kundi na din na muling adunay selebrasyon sa atong kooperatiba sa Pilipinas.
In your respective areas, we'd like to have the signal from our technical team. If you are ready to wave or to... Alright, all our member owners are requested to please stand. May ninyo kinakanan o atong i-sketch itong mga lawas, itong mga, diba? Sa pilang oras ka naglingkod. Alright, in the count of 3, kita atong i-wave atong kamot facing that row. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Congratulations! facilitators. Just where you are, no? Stay put lang yun. Malay na mag-iho. Malay mag-worry because everyone are going to enjoy their respective meal. So we're going to have our 20-minute lang of break, moms and sirs. No, to freshen up, to ready ourselves as we continue our Grand Rumble Draw. O, diba? Ayun mo! Ang huli. Kaya nakapating other surprise naman tabo. So, moms and sirs, kindly grab that 20 minutes. Ngayon na ito mga pag-andang sa itong pagalingon. And as we serve the food, each one of you manas na malingkuranan. I hope that you will enjoy sa among prepare Diana. Alright, thank you so much. And we will continue our Grand Rumble Draw once our 20-minute break ends. Thank you so much.